The company that invented the reciprocating saw has done it again. This is Milwaukee's newest M18 fuel driven to outperform Sawzall. It's the fastest cutting, it's the most durable, and it's the lightest weight. We're gonna tell you all about this right after this message from our sponsor, VCG Construction. Head on over to our merch store. You can get hats, sweatshirts, t-shirts. The link will be in the description below. So it seems Milwaukee Tool keeps doing it. What is it that they keep doing? They keep on improving their existing offerings. This is another Sawzall. They're claiming that it is the fastest cutting in class. It's the most durable Sawzall recip saw. Lighter weight, less fatigue, which is very important. So they've made this one lighter, it seems. This is their kit, product number 2821-22. It comes with the Sawzall. It comes with the 5 amp hour battery, 2 of them. Comes with an M12 M18 charger. There you go, Milwaukee. You get it right, at least in the M18 kits with the dual voltage charger. I don't know why you have any other charger in your kits. I don't get it, but you do. It also comes with this nice, handsome carrying case. It's beautiful. You know what would make this even more beautiful though? If this was a pack out box. Let's think about this now. Milwaukee Tool, I love you. Number one, in your M12 kits, you need a multi-volt charger. That would be improvement number one. Improvement number two would be, if you're gonna give a hard case, why not just make it automatically a pack out? You're doing two things. Number one, you're giving people the versatility of a box that will work with their pack out already. Number two, you're giving the incentive to people that are not in pack out yet to maybe jump into the pack out platform. I don't know. Maybe these boxes are that much cheaper to make compared to pack out, but leave it down in the comment section below. Do you believe that these hard cases should be pack out? And do you believe that all of Milwaukee tools that are cordless, 12 volt or 18 volt, should come with a multi-volt charger? I want to know. I'll leave it down below. You'll see here, fastest cutting in class when compared to a 20 volt competitor and when compared to a competitive competitor. That's what, I don't even, you got me, whatever. So this would be an 18 volt competitor. This is a 20 volt competitor. Both the competitors are a fixed orbit competitor because if you're unaware, this offering is not a super Sawzall, just so you know. This fuel Sawzall does not offer orbital action. That's why it's lighter weight, because they eliminated that orbital action. Most durable Sawzall recip saw, longer component life, wear resistant blade change, anti-corrosion clamp, metal reinforced battery connection. I'm gonna check that out. Lighter weight, less fatigue, improved cutting experience. So this model is 6.8 pounds compared to its predecessor, the 2720-20 at 7.4 pounds. We can test that out. Specifications: blade stroke, 1.25 inches, 3,000 strokes per minute. It has an adjustable shoe. It has a hang hook. A hang hook, I like that. It's got Red Lake Plus intelligence here, as well as using that Power State brushless motor. And all this takes advantage of those red lithium batteries, the XC 5.0s. I'm wondering if there would be a difference when using the new HO architecture batteries. Nice handsome case. I like this little accent here. This red accent. This reminds me of the Gen 3 hammer drill. Yo, this thing is light. Lightweight, lightweight. It's like Ronnie Coleman. Look, you got a trigger lock here. Nice, I like the way that feels. Got a nice bright LED light. We have a little notch here so we can make more precise cuts with this Sawzall. The shoe is adjustable on this Sawzall with the rubber boot. You press down here. It's contained. This is the thing. I like this rubber overmold. You don't have to worry about as much debris getting into the saw. So you press down. I wonder if you could do it one side. You can't. You have to press down both sides, and then the shoe is removable and adjustable. You can see how bright that LED is. Look at that. The other thing is that this trigger is fully adjustable from 0 to 3,000 RPM. The reality is you can use any battery with this tool. This is a fully charged 5.0 battery. It's a little bit older, it's not brand new. Now, if you wanted something that would deliver the same amount of power to the tool, not necessarily the same amount of watt hours, but the same amount of amperage out because of the 21700 cells in here, you can go CP 3.0. I'm gonna tell you right now, this means business the way this is right here, baby. Then if you really needed to do a whole bunch of demolition, you can go with the 12.0. I want to tell you right now, it kind of balances that well. All right, here we go. Tool only. 6 pounds, 12 ounces. With the battery, 5 amp hour, because everybody knows you can't use cordless tools without a battery. You're looking at 8 pounds, 6.1 ounces. We got a hang hook here. Whoa, it works. Seen that? See the hang hook? Whoa, that's pretty cool. The hang hook works pretty good. I like it. I like that they renamed it because I feel like it's not just a ladder hook or a rafter hook. It's a hang hook. You can hang it off of whatever you want. Labels, labels, rafter hook. If you wanted to go more compact with the same amount of oomph, you go 3.0. You're at 8 pounds, 1.3 ounces. So you make it a point here to show you the battery box here. The attachment point is steel reinforced. They show it to you here and here, and if you look in here, you can see it. So you don't have to worry about these tabs breaking off. I mean, people literally just throw their saws all around, bang it, drop it. I guess maybe that was a point of failure for them, and they've improved it. I like that. Oh my God, it works so well, it won't let the battery go. They also have anti-corrosion materials. I believe it's some stainless steel in here in the construction to keep the tool from rusting. Okay, and we have a stainless steel blade clamp. I will let everyone know that many a year ago, we were cutting out old water line. I used the Sawzall, and some water actually got into the blade clamp. We had finished the work. That Sawzall got put away for a while, and what happened was the blade clamp rusted. It literally took a long time of messing with that blade clamp to get it to open up to accept the blade again. Like it literally, and the funny part is that it was such a hassle at the time. We just got a new Sawzall as well. I never got rid of it, and a while later, we lubricated it over and over again, manipulated the blade clamp, and finally it gave it up. It started working again. Pretty funny. So that has been an issue. You can see this is all stainless steel now. Pretty cool. This is the fastest cutting Sawzall or recip saw in its class. That does not mean it's faster cutting than Milwaukee's own Super Sawzall, which offers orbital action, because they're not in the same class. Be very mindful of that. This Sawzall will be available bare tool, kit form, and it will be available 1 key and non-1 key. The bare tool is $28, $21, $20. It's $199. The kit form 2821-21 is $319. Then we have another kit, a third kit, 2821-22, $419. Those launch November 2020, so you should be able to get all these kits right now. The 1 key versions are available in kit form. 2822-20 is $259, which is a bare tool. And then 2822-22, which is $469, that is the kit. Those will launch January 2021. If you wanted to compare just the width of the tool on the Super Sawzall, that orbital action really adds a lot. The other thing that Super Sawzall does offer, besides the orbital action, is an adjustable dial here for strokes per minute. So no matter how much you pull that trigger, you can set your speeds. I mean, the Super Sawzall is nice, but I'm liking the way this shoe adjusts much quicker, in my opinion, than the Super Sawzall. And I'm really liking the blade change. Maybe it's not at the right length. You gotta reach in here, maybe your shoes all the way down. It's tough to get in there. I feel like they really stepped it up with the standard fuel. Listen, it's enough of all this. We know what you're here for. That's orbital on. This is orbital off. Back here at the trigger, the fuel Sawzall, I feel less vibration, what seems to be less vibration into my arm. Up front here on the fuel Sawzall, I feel more vibration than I'm feeling with the Super Sawzall. Does any of that mean anything? It's just my perception from a few quick pulls of the trigger. We're gonna make some cuts through this 6x6. It's not perfectly clean. It does have some holes in it, but the material you're cutting through will probably have some holes as well. We got a Wrecker carbide teefuses. This is the 9-inch with 6 teefuses per inch. They are made in the USA with Global materials, in case you were wondering. Let's see how quickly. I mean, that's nice. Pretty sweet. That's with a 5 amp hour battery. I want to do a second cut. I want to use a 3 amp hour battery. I gotta tell you, seat of your pants, it definitely felt faster. We're gonna strap a big boy on there. Let's see how it does.
Right there.
I know. Of course there would be. I gotta tell you, thing feels great. The vibration being transmitted into my hands and my arms, really, I'm not gonna say it's non-existent, but compared to the older corded tools that I've used previously, and even the big boy here, this is a well thought out machine that is going to make you faster completing your demo tasks, your cutting tasks. You're going to be able to operate it for longer extended periods of time. And that means that you're going to be able to make more money. It's going to make you more productive. And if you like that, then smash the like button. Also, leave it down in the comment section below. What do you think about all the new features? Do you love them? Do you hate them? Do you think that having like this blade change where you just flip a lever is useless? Do you wish they'd go back to the old days where you needed an Allen key to clamp down on a blade clamp? We want to know. Leave it all below. With that, I want to say I appreciate each and every one of you for being here. Thanks a lot, everybody. We'll see you all on the next one. Video's over, but I know you want more. So this is how you're going to get it. First thing you need to do is pretend you're this guy. And you're here at the birthplace of freedom. Now ring that bell like it's 1776 and let all notifications through. What? You're not subscribed yet? Well, smash this button here. After that, watch this video here, and maybe over here. See you later.